Good morning, students. Welcome to the next session of chapter 2 plants. In previous class, we had discussed about how the plants prepare their food. In this class, we are going to discuss reproduction in plants. Okay, so as we discussed in previous class that what was reproduction, that reproduction was a method to produce same like materials, okay, or the same like plants. For example, in previous class I had given you example of mango, okay, that if you will plant a mango seed, it will become a mango tree, and thereafter it will again give a fruit of the same mango, okay. So likewise, reproduction can be done in several ways. The first one is reproduction through seeds. And the second one is reproduction through different parts of plants. Okay. Reproduction through different parts of plants. Okay. So in this class we will be discussing about the seed first. So in this section we are going to discuss the first one, which is reproduction through seeds. Okay. So in general, when we eat some fruit like mango, oranges, guava, okay, so what we find that inside almost every fruit we can find a seed. Okay, suppose that there is an orange here, then in this section its seed lies, 2 or 3 seeds. Likewise in orange also, sorry, orange I have given you example. In lemon also, suppose that it is a lemon, it is cut into half, okay, it look like this from inside, and here we can find some seeds. So lemon is a fruit, orange is a fruit, and this seed is present inside the fruit. In case of a mango, the seed lies inside the mango. So we know from our practical life that seed usually grow inside the fruit, usually, okay. Seeds usually grow inside the fruit, but this is not always, because in some cases like in strawberries, in case of strawberries, okay, the seeds are present on the skin, okay. So this is not like every time seed will grow inside a fruit, but sometimes, not sometimes, usually many times seed grows inside a fruit, okay. So now we are going to discuss structure of a seed, okay. So we might have seen a soya bean seed whose figure is given in the book, okay, or simple a gram seed, okay. Suppose that it is a chickpea, like this, it look like this chana, and this one is from soya bean, okay. This is gram P. Okay, so exact here you can find it. There is a tiny hole, very much tiny hole, but yes, here in case of gram seed and in case of soybean seed, you can find it here in middle of somewhere. Okay, these holes are called as micropyle. These holes are called as micropyle. Okay, so what is the work of these hole? When we soak them in water, suppose that I have kept them inside water. Okay, so the water goes after some time. It will soak some water and it will become large. Okay, ये जो चना है वो फूल जाएगा. How it does it get swells? ये फूलता कैसे? Water goes into the seed, है ना, वाटर जो है सीड में चला जाएगा. एंड फॉर इंटरिंग दैट वाटर वी नीड सम होल एंड दैट होल इज कॉल्ड एज माइक्रोपाइल. Okay, what is micropyle? Micropyle is a hole through which water enters inside the seed. Okay, so at this one is micropyle, we do know. We can split it into two parts. Okay, either you can take this gram seed or the soybean seed. Okay, we can split them into two parts, and what we find that there are two sections in some kind in case. These two sections are called as cotyledons. These are called as cotyledons. Okay, and there is generally a brownish, or it can be of variable color. Okay, so generally it has a reddish or brownish coat over it. I think so. It can be red, it can be brown. Okay, like I'm giving you some example, like in green pea it is green in color. हरा वाला मटर में हरा होता है, हरा चना में हरा होता है, मूंगफली पे भी एक कवर रहता है, चना में भी कवर रहता है. So many kinds. So that coat is called as seed coat. The upper skin, upper layer, that is called as seed coat. And when we will keep this inside water for several days, not several days, 1 day, and if we will keep it outside and tie in a cotton, that after some time we can find that some sprouts are coming out from this ground. चना में से वाइट कलर का ऐसे करके कुछ निकलेगा. We can find it. Okay, so like this. So it happen to appear from this part. Okay, we should know this part. From this part, generally from the micropyle it opens up. Okay, so this was the part of the seed. Okay, so this is cotyledons, and this was seed coat. Okay, so the small part which appears from the micropyle, that is called as the baby plant. What is this called? A baby plant. Okay, so from this baby plant we will know how root appears, how plant grows, how the seed germinates. We will read that in next chapter. Okay, sorry, not in next chapter, in next class. Okay, so this was for the today. Your homework will be to remember the figures. This one, I think so. This part, this will be your homework to study. Okay, and also there will be test on Sunday, so be prepared. The included chapter is the chapter 1. Okay, I will advise you to go through the chapter. All the questions are MCQ only, so I will advise you to go through every line of this chapter. Okay, आपको क्या करना है टेस्ट में अच्छे से क्लियर करने के लिए आपको हर एक चीज़, हिंट बॉक्स, ओके, एक्टिविटीज़, डू यू नो, सारा का सारा चीज़ बुक में से आपको 2-3 बार पढ़ लेना है. अगर बुक नहीं है तो फिर पिछले क्लास में ही उसको मैं अपलोड किया था एक बार. ठीक है, आप उसको, आई होप सो दैट यू माइट हैव डाउनलोडेड दैट सेक्शन ऑल्सो. आप उसको डाउनलोड किए होंगे उस चीज़ को. अगर नहीं किए हैं देन ऑब्वियसली यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट ऑन द प्रीवियस सेक्शंस. आप उसको ढूंढ सकते हैं, आपको स्कूल के साइट पे मिल जाएगा ऑब्वियसली. ओके, so I will advise you to read it enough, read hard, okay, and score good in test examination. This is your first science test in class 5, so I hope you will do better. Okay, good luck.